Hey, I'm Brian Van, sportbiketrackgear.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new Noru Kiryu short riding gloves. I've already said this statement a lot today, but Noru, it's a new brand to our industry. Where did it come from? It came from one of our premier distribution partners, Helmet House, that has a lot of experience with two other house brands that they've had for years, Cortec and Tourmaster. Each one of those has earned an excellent reputation in our industry. With this brand, the concept was really pretty simple: to bring a really affordable street riding gear line to the industry that delivers unmatched value. When you hear the price point of this Kiryu glove, you're going to understand what I'm talking about. This is excellent for new riders or riders working on a really tight budget that need some new gear. What I don't want to do is give you a false sense of, hey, these are every bit as good as a $150 hybrid Alpine Stars glove. No, they're not, right? But looking at these and having looked at all that for many years, I got to tell you, for the price point of this glove, I was kind of shocked. The retail on this is $39.99. You're going to see these sold as low as $19.99. Yes, that's for both gloves. As I understand it, throughout the season, we're going to see some different sale periods, but the lowest price is going to be the $19.99, which is incredible value. Let's talk sizing. I wear a 2X in most common gloves out there. That's what I have on right now. They fit and feel excellent. The Kiryu is a hybrid glove. It offers a mix of synthetic suede, got a little bit of goatskin being used here, so you've got a double layer in the palm. Touchscreen compatibility actually worked. Nice mesh here on the back of the hand. Lots of airflow, lots of comfort. The mesh is used in between the fingers, so you're going to have a lot of airflow there. Got a nice knuckle protector right here, some reflectives up here, motion panel in that area. This glove feels really good. This is a super lightweight summer riding glove. Not overly technical, but unbelievably affordable. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.